If you listened to the previous episode about aquaculture, this episode ties to it very neatly, as it is all about the importance of mangroves. Mangrove planting is a crucial practice for the environment for several reasons. Mangroves are resilient shrubs and trees that can thrive in salt water and possess unique adaptations that allow them to survive in the ever-changing intertidal zones along marine coastlines. Their significance lies in the multitude of benefits they provide. Firstly, mangroves play a vital role in absorbing pollutants and sequestering carbon. They act as natural filters, trapping and removing pollutants such as heavy metals, pesticides, and even agricultural runoff from the water. By doing so, they help marine water quality and clarity, benefiting both marine life and humans. Secondly, mangroves serve as an essential breeding and nursery ground for a variety of marine finfish and shellfish species that have commercial importance. These ecosystems provide a safe haven for these species to reproduce and raise their young, thus supporting the sustainability of fisheries and ensuring the availability of seafood for communities that depend on them. Thirdly, mangroves act as a protective barrier for marine inhabitants. They shield seagrass beds, coral reefs, and fisheries from harmful nutrients and runoff that can degrade or destroy these fragile ecosystems. The intricate network of mangrove roots helps stabilize coastlines, reducing the impact of coastal erosion and storm surges. Fourthly, mangroves have significant economic and social benefits. They contribute to the livelihoods of local communities through activities such as fishing and tourism, the traditional resource use. Moreover, mangroves provide coastal protection, reducing the risk to millions of people living in vulnerable coastal areas. It is estimated that mangroves worldwide prevent more than 65 billion in property damages each year. Recognizing the importance of mangroves, there are numerous individuals and organizations dedicated to mangrove restoration and conservation. The Mangrove Action Project is one such non-profit organization that actively works to protect and restore mangrove forests globally. They collaborate with local communities, providing education on the value of mangrove ecosystems and involving them in mangrove planting. Recognizing that the planting of mangroves is crucial for the environment due to their absorption of pollutants, sequestering carbon, providing habitat for marine species, protecting coastal areas, and supporting the well-being of the local communities. Sustained efforts in mangrove conservation and restoration are essential, and there are some other groups that recognize this. Mangroves for the Future. This is a partnership-based initiative that works to promote investment in coastal ecosystems for sustainable development. They work with local communities and organizations to plant mangroves and other coastal vegetation. And there's the Nature Conservancy. This organization works to protect the environment around the world. They have a program called Plant a Billion Trees, which includes planting mangroves in coastal areas. Virtual fist bump to y'all for finishing another episode of Green Eco Dose. Thank you so much for listening and furthering your mindset to be an eco-friendly patriot of the planet. You can find out more information about mangroves and other topics that I've talked about on this podcast if you go to greentechgossip.com. Thank you. Bye, y'all.